Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the Nibs on Verasity. In today's video, we will once again take a look at the project overview, and we will also take a look at the team behind the project, and we will also take a look at the sentiments of the people as well. And I would also like to show you once again the live charts of Verasity, especially on the 7 days time frame chart that I've been showing you. That it has formed a very huge down channel on the 7 days time frame chart. Right now it is making a powerful attempt to break down the support of the channel. However, so far it is rebounding very well from the support of that channel, and we have seen previously very nice rebound from the support. And this time when it is moving at the support, at the same time oscillators, especially the stochastic and RSI, very special RSI oscillator, is extremely oversold. So let's start analysis. Okay, before we start, all information in this video is based on publicly available sources including CoinMarketCap, CoinMarketCal, TradingView, Verasity's official website, and community discussions from Reddit and X. So there will be no hype, no paid promotion, just facts. Verasity, which is also known as VRA, is one of those crypto projects that once promised a revolution in digital advertising. But today, many investors are asking a simple question. Is Verasity quietly building or slowly fading away? So in this video, we will cover the latest VRA updates, what the team is actually working on, where the price stands, and most importantly, how the community feels about Verasity right now. Now, first of all, let's talk about what's actually happening with Verasity recently. According to CoinMarketCal and CoinMarketCap updates, Verasity expanded its ecosystem by introducing BNB Smart Chain support, making Verasity available as a BEP20 token. VRA token I'm talking about, by the way. This significantly reduces transaction fees compared to Ethereum and improves accessibility as well. Another major update is a VeraWallet fiat off-ramp, which is, by the way, powered by Paybiz. This allows users to convert VRA directly into fiat currencies like USD or Euro, something many holders had been requesting for years. VRA also appeared on Binance Alpha, Binance's experimental platform for emerging assets, along with trading campaigns. While this brought temporary attention, but it did not lead to a sustained price breakout. Additionally, Verasity announced ecosystem expansion projects like PLRL, aimed at consumer-level engagement, though details remain limited so far. Now let's take a look at the team behind the Verasity and who is building Verasity. According to Verasity's official website, the project is led by Mark Firth, the CEO and General Counsel. The technical side is handled by a dedicated engineering team with backgrounds in ad tech, blockchain, infrastructure, and video platforms. The team continues to focus on improving proof-of-view technology, expanding wallet utility, increasing real-world ad tech adoption, particularly in regional markets like the Middle East. However, a common criticism is limited transparency and slow communication, which has affected investor confidence. So how do people really feel about VRA? Based on discussions from Reddit, X, and community forums, sentiment is clearly mixed. If we take a look at the bearish voices, they say progress feels slow, communication lacks clarity, token price has severely underperformed. And if we take a look at the views of optimistic holders, then they believe the technology still solves a real problem and infrastructure improvements are meaningful, and VRA could benefit if ad fraud solutions gain mainstream adoption. So overall sentiment is best described as cautiously neutral, not euphoric, not dead, but waiting for proof. So Verasity is not a hype coin anymore, it's a delivery coin. If the team executes and secures real advertising partners and improves transparency, VRA could still surprise the market. But until then, it remains a high-risk project with long-term potential, not a short-term trade. Now we are on the live chart of Verasity, and this is the 7-day time frame chart, and you can see that since after the month of July 2021, it is moving inside this long-term down channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce, another bounce, then we had a nice rally, rejection, 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 and now once again the price line is drop down at the support. We had a very powerful attempt to break down the support. We had a long spike beyond the support of the channel. However, you can see that whenever it is dropping down at the support of the channel, it is having a nice rebound to the upside and reaching the resistance of the channel. This time, by the way, we have both oscillators on the 7 days time frame chart. extremely oversold. Like RSI is moving at 24.94. 26.94 by the way. At 30 it gets oversold, and you can see that it has dropped more than that level, and RSI is already moving in the oversold. Therefore there can be a probability that this time we may have another rebound from the support, and this time if the price then hits the support of the channel, hits the resistance of the channel, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here. That will be approximately at 0.0018 or approximately $0.002. But once it will be able to break out this channel, then it can start a very massive rally, because this is a multi-year base resistance that was, by the way, found here in the month of October 2021. And once Verasity will be able to break out, then it can start a very massive bull run. And by the way, the technical target for the channel's breakout can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for daily trading signals, you can also join my YouTube membership or Patreon membership, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.